students, as I said to you that I will explain the components of chart. Good morning. So let me open the Microsoft Excel and write some data, and after that I can explain to you the things, the component. So suppose I have name and the marks of the students, and you know that I can increase the size like this. Okay, so let some bold it and increase the size of data, and also do something. And suppose I'm writing the name Ravi, marks is 23, then Mohan, marks is 24, then 45, and the name is Rakesh, and next one is Raj Mani, and then the marks is 67. Okay, so these are the students and their marks are mentioned over here. So I said to you, if you want to make the chart, just select these data and go to insert tab, and there are the many charts you can see here, and in the chart group. So you can select, you can make any type of charts, column, line, pie. Suppose I'm making very first column chart. So you can see here the result, and the charts are made by the Excel automatically. So these are the categorization, as I said to you, that this is the categorization of the I said this x-axis is the the data which we categorize, and next one is this is the data values. So next thing I explained the chart area. So this complete thing is called chart area. Okay. Next one I explained category axis. So category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. So I said to you, this is category axis. This one. Are you able to see this one? This which I selected. Ravi, Mohan, Ravi. Can you see this?
Yes.
So students, this is category axis. This is category axis. Okay. So these are the category axis, and basically the x-axis is called category axis, or x-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart. Next one, I said this is value axis. This one, this is a value axis. So value axis or y-axis is a vertical axis used to plot the value. It is located at the left side. Is it clear to you? Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, I explain data series. So what are data series? Data series are the bars, slices, or other element that shows the data values. So that are the data series. This one, this chart. So these pillars. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that show the data values. So who shows you the data values? These bars. Okay, because these pillars or bars shows you the data values, because you enter 23, so you can see here, and it is just above 220. That means it shows the data values. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next one is category name. So category names are the labels which are displayed on the X and Y axis. So category name, here is no category name because it is not showing to here, but we can enter the category name. Don't worry. If you go in the layout, then you can write the axis title, that is primary horizontal axis title and primary vertical axis title. So by this way we can write the categories name. So what are the category name? Category names are the labels which are displayed on the x-axis and y-axis. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me write the theoretical parts for you also. Category name. So what are the category name? Category names. Category name. Sorry, names are the labels which are displayed on the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one is plot area. So what are the plot area, students? Plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself. Okay, so that means plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself. So that means just see here this one. This is called plot area. What it is called?
Plot area.
Plot area. So this is in a window. This complete one is called chart area, and this one is called plot area. So plot area definition is plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself. So this contains the actual chart. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next come to the
Once more,
legend.
sir.
Next come to the legend. 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 So what are legend? It depicts the color. It depicts the colors, patterns are symbols assigned the data series. So students, it depicts the color. Let me show you. It depicts the colors, patterns, or symbol assigned to the data series. So it means that it helps to differentiate the data also. That means let me show you in the figure. This is called this one. This one is called legends. What it is called? What it is called?
Legend.
Legends. Basically, legends shows you the data, and what are the headings? It depicts the color, patterns, or symbols. It depicts the colors, patterns, or symbol assigned to the data series. And what are the data series? Let me show you. Data series. Data series are the bar, slice, or other elements. So it depicts the colors, pattern, or symbols assigned to the data series. That means this is data series. So this one shows you that how many datas you have. That means if you contain more data, then it will one more data series. One more legends will be here with different colors. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
If
Yes.
you can let me show you. Don't worry. Control C, Control V, and if I add this one also. Wait. Sorry. If I add Says select data, row or column. Okay, okay. So basically, here, if you make another chart, let me show you. Wait. Uh, First, let me delete this one and select these all. This you got this chart with different colors. This one, this one, this one, this one. So these, because you have two datas. How many datas you have?
2.
So that's why it is showing
2
two
data.
two data series, two legends. This is series 1. This is series 2. So the colors represent there are two data values. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I think right now this is clear.
Yes.
Okay. So next one, students, next theory is chart title. What is chart title?
Chart title.
What are chart title, students? It describes the aim and contents of the chart. It describes,
Name and content of the chart.
right, aim and content of the. What does it mean? It means what is the name? What name you should keep to the chart? Okay, this is the thing. So right now, our chart is having which name? No name. Let me show you from here. Wait, delete it. Go to here. Go to insert and make a column chart like this. So here there is no names of no name of the chart. Okay, here. So if you write a name of the chart, okay, so that name basically describe which type of data you are keeping. Is it clear right now? You can chart title. Can you understand what a chart title? Chart title basically, student, it describes the name of the chart. That's it. What it is?
Name
What
of the chart.
Very nice. Next one is grid lines. What are
Grid lines.
grid lines? So these can either be horizontal,
Or vertical lines.
right, or vertical lines describing
Depending.
depending on the selected chart type. So depending on the selected chart type, what does it mean? These can either be horizontal or vertical depending on the selector chart title. So these lines are called grid lines. Can you see this line? These lines, 1, 2, 3. Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
So these horizontal lines is called grid lines. You can also make the vertical lines grid lines. Okay, but how you can make, I will discuss you later. Is it clear?
And sir,
Yes. Ask question.
how we will give this chart name?
Chart name. Okay. That is in another that means I will explain you in the next videos, because this is, I think, on page number 37, but you have asked me, that's why I'm going to tell today. Okay, you are able to see here, you are able to see a chart title.
Yes.
Click on center over the title, and you just got this one, and you just write here chart title. So what I made the students marks. So I can write here students marks. You got how you can make the chart title?
Yes.
Okay, but don't worry, I will explain you one more time. Okay. Next one, students, a very important thing is that are how many types of chart are in Excel. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first comes bar chart. Types of chart. The first one is
Okay. Bar chart.
bar chart. What are bar chart, students? Basically, data in this type of chart, in this type of chart, data are placed vertically. Data are bar chart. Placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. That means it displays data in the form of long rectangular rods. You know these rods? Have you seen this rod? These rods. These are called long rectangular rods. So these shows the data. So the same thing I said data series also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart. Categorized represent on the vertical axis. That means the category represent the vertical axis and value are represented on the. These are the important things. You must remember this point. In this type of chart, data are placed on uh, placed on horizontal horizontal axis. Data are placed on horizontal axis and category categories are placed on y-axis. Is it clear? Y-axis means vertical axis. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this type of chart, data are placed on horizontal axis and categories are placed on the vertical axis. So let me show you the examples also. Suppose I have selected this chart and I want to make this chart to the to bar chart. Is it clear? Right now this is column chart. So can you? I'm just changing to bar chart. Just see here. This is changed. So you know this categories are placed on the vertical axis and the data values are placed here the horizontal axis. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So I think your bar chart is cleared right now. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Next one is student column chart. What is?
Column chart. Column chart.
So column chart basically it is opposite of the bar chart. Okay. So in this type of chart, categories are organized horizontally and values vertically. So can you see this? This is basically the opposite of bar chart. Categories are organized horizontally and values organized on vertically. Is it clear to you? Clear to you, students? If I select this and I'm going to insert and changing to column chart, then see here, this is the categorization is on the that means on the x-axis, horizontal axis, and the values is on the vertical axis. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see this, students?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This
No,
is
sir.
this is the values and this is the categorization. So category is placed on horizontal axis and values is placed on the vertical axis. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I think this is enough for today's class, students, and I will upload this same video on the YouTube. So if you
Yes.
like,
Thank you, sir.
if you like my videos, then please appreciate my videos and write some comments. And if you face any problem, then you can also ask the problem in the comment box. You will get reply as soon as possible. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you,
Sir,
student. Yes, yes, ask.
if there are some yesterday, Harshit asked me for timetable.
Time
Then
take.
you that yes, then that is that especially if that private message is there, then host can see any message.
Yes,
मैं
host. I have
तुम्हें
seen.
दे दूंगी परेशान
have
मत हो
I have seen, but I do not have the particular class 8th timetable. I have timetable of my, but the class 10th 8th I do not have. So you will get the timetable from other students. Puspanjali, Ojasvi are there. The students can send you. Okay.
sir my question is that class 8
No, I haven't.
sir
Yes,
you can see message
I have seen. I have seen.
means host can see
Pardon?
means host can see
Host can see. If you send privately to me, then I can see. I can see everyone's message. Okay. There are one option private. So if you privately send the message to anyone, then those person only can see. Okay, leave this matter. Focus on your study. Okay.
okay sir.
Okay. Thank you.